Tired of digging through invoices to find out who hasn't paid you? I feel that. It's such a time drain, and while you're manually hunting, your cash flow is just sitting there waiting. I'm going to show you how to find every single customer with overdue invoices in Xero in under 2 minutes. No more guessing, no more spreadsheet juggling. Here's the plan. We're going to use a feature called Smart Lists to instantly filter your contacts based on their overdue balance. And then I'll show you how to save that search so you can pull it up with one click anytime you need it. Let's dive in. Okay, start by logging into your Xero account. Just get to that main dashboard where you see your bank accounts and your spending summary. That's our home base. From that dashboard, look at the top menu bar. You're going to click on Contacts. This is where Xero stores everyone you do business with. Customers, suppliers, everyone. Now, inside the Contacts area, you'll see a few options on the left-hand side. Click on All Contacts. This opens up your full master list, every single person you've ever added. Right there on the left panel, you should see a section called Smart Lists. That's our magic tool. Go ahead and click on it. These are pre-built filters that Xero provides to help you find specific groups of people quickly. You'll see a few options pop up. One of them says Overdue over 7 days. Select that one. This is Xero's way of saying, show me everyone who has an invoice that's more than a week past due. Now, before you run it, take a moment to look at the criteria it's using. You'll see it's filtering for contacts with an overdue balance that's greater than 0, and it's specifically looking at invoices that were due more than 7 days ago. Understanding this is key because it confirms you're not accidentally including customers who just slipped by a day or two. It's focused on the ones that really need attention. All right, click the big blue Run Search button at the bottom. Xero will process this quickly. You might see a little loading spinner for a second. And there you go. This is your list. Every customer in this list has at least one invoice that's been overdue for more than a week. You can see their names, their total overdue balance, and even drill down into each one to see the specific invoices. So this is the list you've been manually hunting for. But here's the really important part. Let's not do this again from scratch next week. We're going to save this search. Look for an option that says Save Search, or it might be a small save icon near the top. Click that. A little box will pop up asking you to name it. Give it something memorable, like Overdue over 7 days, or Chase these customers, something you'll recognize instantly. Then click the Save button. And just like that, you're done. Now, anytime you come back to your contacts area, you'll see this Save Search right there under your Smart Lists. One click, and you're looking at every single person who needs to pay you. No more manual digging, no more wasted time. You've just automated a huge chunk of your cash flow follow-up. Now you can get on with the actual work of collecting those payments. Give it a try today, and you'll wonder how you ever did it the old way.